Children, it is activity page 14 for day 12. Activity page 14 for day 12. It is the activity on the addition of fractions with different denominators. Here you observe the example. Add 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Add 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. If the denominators are same, by taking the denominator one time, you can add the numerator to get the sum of the fractions. Here the denominators are different. In that case, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of 4 and 6. How will you get the LCM of 4 and 6? There are different methods. Use any one of the method to get the LCM of 4 and 6. Here now let us use the division method. So you divide it by 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Again you divide it by 2. 2 1s are 3 you write as it is. Then you divide it by 3. 1s are 1s are. So the product of these 3 becomes the LCM. So what is the LCM here? LCM is 12. So you write LCM of 4 and 6 equals what? 12. Next, here you know that here the numerator changes. Here the numerator changes. 3 is there. 3 must be multiplied by something. And 5 is there. 5 must be multiplied by something. As the denominator is changed here. Here the 4 is changed to 12. So 4 into what is 12? 4 into 3 is 12. So 3 must be multiplied by 3. Here 12 divided by 4 you take. 4 3s are 12. So this 3 must be multiplied by 3. It must be multiplied by 3. Similarly, 12 divided by 6 you take. 6 2s are 12. So this 5 must be divided by 2. 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are. 5 2s are. Then 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10. You will get 9 plus 10 is 19 by 2. Here you got the denominator 12 and in the numerator you got 9 plus 10. The sum of 9 and 10 is 19. So the sum of this 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 is 19 by 12. Here the very important is you have to get the LCM of the denominators if they are different. After getting the LCM, you must multiply the denominator. 3 must be multiplied by what? 5 must be multiplied by what? That you have to find out here. Here you will get, you know that 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 3 must be multiplied by 3. 6 2s are 12. So 5 must be multiplied by 2. That is very important here that you have to add the following 7 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Children, get the LCM of 5 and 10. Why you have to take the LCM of 5 and 10? Because they are different. The denominators are different. Get the LCM of 5 and 10. How will you get the LCM of 5 and 10? Take this 5 and 10. You know that 2. Write this 5 as it is. 2 5s are. Then you take 5 1s are 1s are. So the product of these two, 10 you will get as a LCM. But you know that 10 is the multiple of 5. Therefore you can take directly as a 10 LCM. Then you know that 5 2s are 10. If 10 is divided by 5, you will get 5 2s are 10. Therefore, here you got that 5 2s are 10. 7 must be multiplied by 2. Then 10 1s are 10. 3 1s are 3. So you got 7 into 2 and 3 into 1. This is very important here. Then here you write the product of this and here you write the product of this. After that, the sum you write, sum of the numerator and denominator is here 10. Here you write the 10, here also you write the 10. The next one is 5 by 4 plus 2 by 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. And what is the LCM of 4 and 8? Naturally you will get 8 because 8 is the multiple of 4. 8 becomes the LCM, or otherwise use the method and find the LCM. As usual method, use any one of the method, division method or taking the multiples or factorization method. Any one of the method you can use to find the LCM. Here what is to be multiplied, what is to be multiplied, that you have to find out. That is based on the LCM. Here you know that if you got the LCM to 8, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 8 1s are 2 1s you will get. That you have to verify, complete it. Similarly this one, 1 by 5 plus 7 by 15. Here also find the LCM of 5 and 15. Directly we can get the LCM 15 because 15 is the multiple of 5, but use the method and find it. Next one, 2 by 7 plus 5 by 4. Here also get the LCM of 7 and 4. Here they are the co-prime number, their product becomes the LCM. Or use the method to find the LCM. Here 7 and 4 are there, you will get, here you write 7 and 4. You know that 2, write 7 as it is, 2 2s are, then again, then you will get 7 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 7 becomes 28. 28 is the LCM. So here they are co-prime number and you can write their product as a LCM. In this way, here you find the LCM and write that as a numerator. After that, you know that here 2 into what? 5 into what? That you have to find out. You can get it directly. Here 7 into 4, 8. 28 is there, means 2 into 4 you will get, 5 into 7 you will get. Next, subtract the following. Here that is the subtraction of the fraction. Methods are same here. In the numerator, instead of adding, you must subtract. Here 7 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Find the LCM of 5 and 10. Find the LCM of 5 and 10. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? You will get here 5 and 10. So you know that 5 you write as 2 5s are. Again here you will get 5 1s are 1s are, 2 5s are LCM. 10 you will get. 10 is the LCM. You know that 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So this 7 must be multiplied by 2. 7 into 2. Next 10 1s are 3 1s are. 3 must be multiplied by 1 because 10 into 1 is 10. After that, here you got 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3. Subtract 3 from 14 to get 11. In this way, you can subtract here. Next, you take 5 by 4 minus 2 by 8. Here also find the LCM of 4 and 8. After getting the LCM of 4 and 8, here you find 5 is to be multiplied by which number, 2 is to be multiplied by which number. Here 4 and 8 are there, means 8 is the multiple of 4 and usually you will get 8 as a LCM. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 8 1s are 2 1s are. And you do the subtraction here. Then you take the third one, 1 by 5 minus 7 by 15. 1 by 5 minus 7 by 15. Here what is the LCM? 15 is the LCM. Find the LCM as usual method. Use any one of the method and get the LCM. After that, you write that LCM here. Next, 1 into what and 7 into what, that you have to find out. And complete this. Next, 2 by 7 minus 5 by 4. Here also find the LCM of 7 and 4. After that, 2 into what? 5 into what? 2 into what? 5 into what? That you have to write. Here you write the LCM and subtract. In this way, complete this activity.